Okay, children. So today we will start the conversation part. Okay, I will take your test orally. Okay, I will ask one by one the conversation. So all of you are ready. Okay. Okay, one by one I will ask. Just wait. Afan, unmute yourself. Yeah, there is some network problem from your side. Yes, yes. Now you can unmute. Okay, now you can unmute. Unmute Afan. Yes, Afan. Now tell me, Afan, what is the capital of India?
Delhi.
Yes. Now tell me, what are the vowels of the English alphabets?
A-I-O-U.
Okay, Afifa, don't answer. Okay. Now tell me, which vegetable is used to make ketchup?
Tomato.
Very good, Afan. Very good. Now, Afifa, you tell. Afifa, now tell me, how many hours do we have in a day? How many hours do we have in a day?
23.
24 hours. Yes, 24 hours. And tell me, what are the vowels of the English alphabets?
A-I-O-U.
Okay. Okay, Afifa, now tell me how many, which is the smallest bird in the world? Which is the smallest bird?
Smallest bird, choto bird.
Hummingbird.
Hummingbird. Very good, Afifa. Okay, well done. Okay, mute
Thank
yourself.
you.
Okay. Yes,
Welcome.
ধরা হয়ে গেল যে কাজগুলো
very
দিয়েছি
good. Mute
সেগুলো করতে
yourself.
হবে।
Yes.
Yes, Adriti. Unmute yourself, Adriti.
বলো বলো
Good morning, ma'am. She was a bit ill for a few days, so she couldn't
Okay.
attend the class.
Okay, okay. Yes, I understand because she was absent yesterday. Okay, she can see the book and she can tell. Okay, she can see the conversation and she can answer me. Okay,
Ma'am, can you repeat once again? I couldn't hear you.
I'm saying that she can see the conversation where she has written in the copy. She can see and she
Right.
can answer me. Okay, because she was not well. I understand. Okay.
Right. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Adriti. I will ask only easy questions. Adriti, listen to me. Okay. So, what are the vowels of the English alphabets? Adriti, tell me.
Vowel. A, E, I, O, U.
Okay. And what is the capital of India?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay. So the capital of India is Delhi. Okay. Okay, Adriti, now tell me which vegetable is used to make ketchup. Which vegetable is used to make ketchup?
Sauce বানানোর জন্য কোন ভেজিটেবলটা ইউজ হয়? বলো।
Tomato or brinjal? Which vegetable is used?
এগিয়ে যাও। বলো। রেড কালারের হয় কোনটা বলো তাড়াতাড়ি।
Tomato.
Tomato. Yes, very good, Adriti. Okay. Okay, Adriti. Take care of yourself because you are not well. And when you will get well, you will learn all the conversation. Okay. Okay, Adriti. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Shreyosi, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, আমি বলবো?
Yes. Shreyosi, now tell me, which is the smallest bird in the world? Which is the smallest bird in the world? Hummingbird or parrot? I'm giving you the option.
Parrot.
Hummingbird or parrot? Shreyosi, the answer will be hummingbird. Okay. Now tell me, what is the capital of India?
Hummingbird.
Yes, hummingbird. What is the capital of India?
Hummingbird.
Yes. What is the capital of India, Shreyosi?
Hummingbird.
Okay. Now I'm asking you the second question. What is the capital of India? Okay, now Shreyosi, tell me, what are the vowels of the English alphabets? Shreyosi, unmute yourself. What are the vowels in the English alphabets? There are 5 vowels. So what are the vowels? Tell me. Shreyosi, unmute yourself. Again, you muted. Yes, tell me. There are 5 vowels. Okay, so what are the vowels?
Five vowels.
Yes, what are the
Five
vowels?
vowels.
Yes, there are 5 vowels, but what are the
Five
vowels?
vowels.
A, E,
E, I, O, U.
very good, Shreyosi. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Anas, unmute yourself, Anas.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Anas, tell me, what is the capital of India?
Ma'am, Kundu.
Anas, I'm taking conversation. I told you yesterday I will ask questions tomorrow. Anas, tell me, have you learned? Have you learned the conversation? Anas? Okay, now tell me, Anas, how many vowels are there in English alphabets?
5.
What are the vowels?
A, E, I, O, U.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the capital of India? Capital of India is Delhi. Okay. Delhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anas, learn the conversation. Okay, learn the conversation nicely. Okay. Okay, Anas. Mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Prapti. What happened, Prapti? Yes, Prapti, tell me what happened. Prapti, can you hear me? Prapti, can you hear me? Yes, what happened? Tell me. You are outside? Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Capital. Delhi.
What is the capital of India?
Delhi.
Very good. Now tell me, how many hours do we have in a day? Yes, very good. Now tell me, how many hours do we have in a day?
Thank you, ma'am.
Prapti, tell me, how many hours do we have in a day? Prapti, can you hear me? How many hours do we have in a day? I think Prapti's network problem. She's having some network problem. Prapti, can you hear me?
I can hear me.
Okay, okay. Your voice is not coming clearly, Prapti. Unmute yourself. Okay. Prapti, can you hear me? Okay, I will ask you later, okay? Yes, Zayan, unmute yourself, Zayan. Yes, Zayan, tell me, which bird is the king of birds? Which bird is the king of birds?
Eagle.
Eagle, yes, very good. Now tell me, what is the capital of India? Delhi.
Delhi.
Yes. Which is the smallest bird in the world?
Hummingbird.
Very good, Zayan. Well done. Okay, mute yourself. Welcome. Yes, Shruti, unmute yourself. Today there is a lot of network problem. That's why voice is cracking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Shruti, tell me. How many
What,
vowels?
ma'am?
What are the vowels of English alphabets?
5 vowels.
Yes. What are
A,
they?
E, I, O, U.
And tell me, how many hours do we have in a day?
24 hours.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the largest vegetable?
Tomato.
Largest vegetable, largest. Pumpkin or tomato?
Pumpkin.
Yes, very good. Okay, Shruti. Mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Ehan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Ehan, tell me, what is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
Okay, now tell me, who is known as Netaji? Which minister? Which political leader is known as the Netaji? Known as Netaji.
Netaji.
Who is known as
Subhash
Netaji?
Chandra Bose.
Yes. And
Subhash Chandra Bose.
how many vowels are there?
A, I, O, U.
Very good, Ehan. Well done. Okay. Very good, Ehan. Yes, Prakriti, unmute yourself. Okay, Ehan, mute yourself. Yes, Prakriti, now tell me, which vegetable is used to make ketchup?
Tomato.
Very good. Now tell me, what is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
And how many hours do we have in a day?
24 hours.
Very good, Prakriti. Well done.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Shoaib, unmute yourself. Children, join with
मैम मामा ज्वाइन करते लेट होएगा तो टाइगर नहीं पारेंगी.
Okay, Shoaib. Okay. Shoaib, but where is your uniform, Shoaib? Why you are not wearing your uniform? I instructed you before also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, always try to wear the uniform. Okay. Now, Shoaib, tell me, what are the vowels of the English alphabet?
Okay, ma'am.
What are the vowels of the English alphabet? Shoaib? Shoaib, tell me. I'm asking you conversation. Yes. A, E, I, O, U.
जोरे बोलो तुम।
A-E-I-O-U.
Okay, okay. Now tell me, which vegetable is used to make ketchup? Which vegetable is used to make ketchup?
26 consonants.
No, Shoaib, I'm asking you which vegetable is used to make ketchup? Sauce, tomato sauce, you know? That which vegetable is used? Sauce you are eating, no? So which vegetable is used to make the ketchup? Tell me.
उनका बुझते পারি
तुम
Ma'am, कौन सा पढ़ा है लो?
গলা
Shoaib,
বলতে
it is in conversation. Okay.
पेज नंबर को तो मैम.
No page. I told you yesterday. Yesterday you were present in the class. I told you that I will ask today the conversation. Okay. Okay, Shoaib. Okay. Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Learn all the conversation. Okay. Yes, Rumayya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Rumayya, now tell me, which bird is the king of birds?
Eagle.
Which bird is the king of birds?
Eagle.
Yes, very good, Rumayya.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Rumayya, now tell
Thank
me,
you, ma'am.
which is the smallest bird in the world?
Humming.
Hummingbird.
Humming.
Hummingbird, yes.
Hummingbird.
And what is the capital of India?
कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया
Delhi.
दिल्ली
Delhi.
Okay, very good, Rumayya. Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
দুপুরে বলতে হবে
Yes, Rehan, unmute yourself. Yes, Rehan, now
क्या
tell me.
बोलूं?
Rehan, what are the vowels of the English alphabet?
A-E-I-O-U.
Okay, now tell me, how many hours do we have in a day?
There. 24.
Okay, which bird is the king of birds?
Eagle.
Very good, Rehan. Well done. Mute yourself.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Yes, Ritisha, unmute yourself, Ritisha.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ritisha, now tell me, what is the capital of India? What is the capital of India? Okay, now tell me, who is known as Netaji?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Okay, now tell me which vegetable is used. Very good, very good. Now tell me which vegetable is used to make ketchup.
Tomato.
Very good, Ritisha. Well done. Okay, mute yourself. Yes, Alkeen, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Alkeen, now tell me, who is known as Netaji? Who is known as Netaji? Unmute yourself.
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the largest vegetable?
Pumpkin.
Yes. Now tell me, what are the vowels of the English alphabet?
A-I-O-U.
Very good, Salkin. Well done. Okay. Mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Janatun. Unmute yourself, Janatun.
India. Delhi.
Yes, now
Yes, ma'am.
Janatun, tell me, which is the smallest bird in the world?
Hummingbird.
Hummingbird. And tell me, which vegetable is used to make ketchup? Sauce?
No.
Yes. Now tell me, who is known as Netaji?
Subhash Khan.
Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, very good, Janathan. Okay, well done. Mute yourself. Yes, Mahika, unmute yourself, Mahika.
Okay, ma'am.
Mahika, tell me what is the capital of India?
Delhi is the capital of India.
Yes, and who is known as Netaji?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Okay. Do you know who was the first president of India?
Ramnath Kovind.
Oh, who was the first president of India?
Rajnath.
Rajnath.
Doctor?
Shona?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the first president of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Okay, this question is also in the conversation. You will learn, okay? Okay, very
Okay,
good.
ma'am.
Well done, well done. Yes, Devaditya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Bolo.
Yes, ma'am.
Devaditya, now tell me which vegetable is used to make ketchup?
Tomato.
Okay. Now tell me how many hours do we have in a day?
24 hours.
Okay. Which bird is the smallest bird in the world?
Hummingbird.
Very good, Devaditya. Okay, well done. Mute yourself, okay? Welcome. Yes, Niladri, unmute yourself, Niladri. Niladri, unmute yourself. Niladri, unmute yourself. Can you? Yes, unmute and okay, Priyanshu, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Okay, okay, just wait, Priyanshu, just wait. Yes, Niladri, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, what is the capital of India, Niladri?
New Delhi.
Okay, how many vowels are there in the English alphabet? What are the vowels are there in the English alphabets? What are the vowels?
A-E-I-O-U.
Okay, now tell me how many hours do we have in a day?
A-E-I-O-U.
Yes, how many hours do we have in a day?
24.
Okay, very good, Niladri. Okay, mute yourself. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Priyanshu, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Priyanshu. Tell me, what are the vowels of the English alphabets?
Vowels, bolo.
G, G.
Bolo.
কি বললে?
Vowels.
A-I-O-U. আর কি? তো আমারটা খারাপ।
Okay, who is known as Netaji? Tell me.
Netaji. Netaji. Bolo. Easy, bolo.
Priyanshu, tell me.
Bolo.
সুভাষ চন্দ্র বসুর নাম হয়
Yes.
প্রসাদ।
Okay, very good, Priyanshu. Very good.
রাজেন্দ্র প্রসাদ।
What is the largest? Now tell me which
Chup,
what is the
largest
largest
vegetable.
vegetable? What is the largest
Bolo.
vegetable?
Bolo, what is the largest vegetable? Bolo. বলো ম্যামের দিকে তাকিয়ে বলো
Largest vegetable.
জোরে
Very
বলো
good. Very good, Priyanshu. Well done. Okay. Mute yourself. Very good. Nice. Priyanshu is very naughty. Yes, Soripta, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the capital of India? Soripta.
Delhi.
Okay. Now tell me which bird is the king of birds?
Eagle.
Okay. Now tell me who was the first president of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Okay, Soripta. Very good. Well done. Mute yourself. Now Malav, unmute yourself. Welcome. Malav, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what are the vowels of the English alphabets?
A-E-I-O-U.
Okay. Which vegetable is used to make ketchup?
Ketchup vegetable.
Yes.
Pumpkin.
Ketchup, sauce.
Tomato.
Yes.
Tomato.
And what is the largest vegetable?
Pumpkin.
Very good. Well done, Malav. Okay. Yes, Adrita, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Adrita. Now tell me, which bird is the king of birds?
Eagle is the king of birds.
Okay, who is known as Netaji?
Subhash Chandra Bose is known as Netaji.
Okay, which is the smallest bird in the world?
Hummingbird
Very
is
good.
the
Only. Okay, okay, very good, Adrita. Just you can say hummingbird.
Thank
Okay,
you.
well done, well done. Okay. Yes, Afnan, unmute yourself. Afnan, tell me what is the capital of India?
Delhi.
Okay, what are the vowels of the English alphabets?
A-E-I-O-U.
Okay. Now tell me who is known as Netaji?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Very good, Afnan. Well done. Okay.
Ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, so Sampriti, unmute yourself. Yes. Now tell me, Sampriti, how many hours do we have in a day? How many hours do we have in a day?
Same. 7.
No, how many hours? Means how many hours do we have in a day? 25 or 24?
10, 25 or 24.
24 hours.
25.
Okay. Now tell me,
Okay.
Sampriti, what are the vowels of the English alphabets?
A-E-I-O-U.
Okay. Now tell me which vegetable is used to make ketchup? Sauce?
Tomato.
Okay, Sampriti. Very good. Very good. Good yourself. Now, who else have not answered? Just raise your hand. Those who have not answered. Yes, Zishan. Unmute yourself, Zishan. Which,
Yes, ma'am.
Zishan, tell me which bird is the king of birds?
Eagle.
Eagle. Which vegetable is used to make ketchup?
Tomato.
Okay, who is known as Netaji?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Okay, Zishan, very good. Okay. Well done. Mute yourself. Yes, Amrit, unmute yourself, Amrit. Amrit, now tell me what is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
Yes. What are the vowels of the English alphabets?
A-E-I-O-U.
Okay. Now tell me which vegetable is used to make ketchup?
Pumpkin.
Ketchup. Which vegetable is used? Very good, Amrit. Okay. Mute yourself. Yes, Azan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Azan, why whenever I ask you any question, when I unmute you, so many noises is coming from your side. What type of noise is that? Okay, Azan, now tell me. How many? Tell me what are the vowels of the English alphabet? Okay. Azan, O-U. What is the capital of India? What is the capital of India, Azan? Okay. And how many hours do we have in a day? How many hours do we have in a day?
24 hours.
Okay, Azan, very good. Mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Aina, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Aina, tell me what is the capital of India?
Delhi.
Okay, tell me who was the first president of India?
राजेंद्र प्रसाद बोलो.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Okay, which is the smallest bird in the world?
Smallest one.
Bird in the what?
Which is the smallest?
Hummingbird.
Yes, hummingbird. Very good, Saina.
Hummingbird.
Very good, Saina. Very good. Okay, mute yourself. Well done.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank
Yes,
you.
Afia. Welcome. 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 Afia, unmute yourself. Yes, Afia, tell me. What are the vowels of the
Yes,
English
ma'am.
alphabets? What are the vowels of the English alphabets? Follow.
A-E-I-O-U.
Okay. Now tell me which bird is the king of birds?
Eagle.
Okay.
जोरे बोलो.
Very good. Eagle. Yes. What is the capital of India?
Delhi.
Very good, Afia. Welcome. Well done. Well done. Mute yourself. Welcome. Yes, Shahnawaz, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Shahnawaz.
Yes.
Tell me, how many hours do we have in a day?
24.
Okay.
24.
Okay, 24 hours. Who is known as Netaji? Yes. Okay. Now tell me, what is the capital of India?
Delhi.
Very good, Shanwaz. Well done. Okay. Shanwaz, you also try to wear the uniform. Okay, Shanwaz? Always try to wear the uniform.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
So all of you have completed? Anyone left? Anybody left? Everyone has completed? Just wait. I want to know that. So all of you have completed, children? Say yes or no, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
All of you have completed. No one is left.
No, ma'am.
Faham is left. Yes, Faham. Are you there, Faham? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you hear me, Faham? Yes. Faham, tell me what is the capital of India? Faham? Yes. And what are the vowels, Faham? What are the vowels?